report from our senior crime reporter Malik Mohammad Imran.
Under the leadership of DIG Operations Faisal Kamran, Lahore Police remains fully committed to maintain law and order. According to the details, Sadar Division Police conducted a grand operation against criminal elements, resulting in the arrest of 8 suspects. Raiwind Police arrested suspects Shabbir Khan, Niaz and Parvez, recovered 3 pistols from their possession. Similarly, 10 liters of alcohol along with 2 pistols were recovered from Manga Mandi with suspects Afzal, Ghulam Mohiuddin and Babar being apprehended. In operation across Chuhang and Johar Town, 2 drug dealers, Shiraz and Imran, were arrested and 3.2 kg of hashish were seized. Under the supervision of SP City Division Police Captain retired Qazi Ali Raza, Shadbagh Police carried out an operation arresting 2 suspects including a drug dealer. Suspect Abdul Hanan was found in possession of 1.5 kg of hashish, while suspect Abdul Wahab was found with illegal arms. Shabbir Khan Police acted against gambler, arrest 8 suspects, cash amounting 1,060 and mobile phones, playing cards used in gambling were seized. The suspects included Amir Hamza, Haris, Adnan, Ali Raza, Omer and others were found gambling openly in a street. The Dolphin Squad arrested a record holder suspect Mushtaq in Shadbagh, recovering a pistol and ammunition from his possession. Lahore Police remained steadfast in efforts to curb criminal activities and ensure the safety and security of citizens.